Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. I feel like it has been forever, which kind of has sorry. Life got a little crazy and I just really hadn't had any time to film. I didn't have any motivation. I was just in a funk. But I'm back, hopefully for good. I like my attire. It kind of goes with today's what I'll be doing. So anyways, I actually got started on this. I forgot to do my intro, so here I am. I'm working on a piece right now, which I'll put on this video, the clips from yesterday. But I started painting this. My mom actually had showed me this really pretty picture, and it kind of was like my inspiration for it. I'm just kind of making it my own now. It's going to be for my daughter for her birthday, because her birthday is on Thursday. She's going to be 13. Ooh, sad. But, so yeah, so that's what I'm currently working on. Man, it feels like it's been a really long time since I filmed a video. Like, actually filmed. I've put some videos up, but it's just been like things that I've had stored in my phone that I really needed to post. I'm so bad at it. You know, filming isn't hard. It's the editing that like takes me forever. I just want like to push a magic button and just bam. It's like exactly how I want it, and then I'll have to mess with it because it takes forever. But I guess it's all part of the process. So yeah, like I said, I'm gonna be working on this today. I'm gonna finish it up. I did hand paint it. I don't know about anybody else. I cannot draw for shit. Painting isn't really my forte. It's more like my business stuff, like my crafts, my designing things, stuff like that. I can't paint for shit. So what I've actually done, bought stencils for these, which I've used a couple of them, just for the outline of them, and then I just went in and freehanded the rest of it. So that way it didn't look so crazy. Like, this is the hummingbird I used. And no lie, I was like, fuck it, I'm just gonna use a stencil. And then I saw how it looked, I was like, it looks like shit. So I went back. This is my little stencil I used for the hummingbird. And then I went back and y'all can see how I really like made it come to life. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing today. I'm gonna try and finish this up. Like I said, I started on it yesterday and worked probably till like 2 o'clock in the morning. I just was so glued to it and just couldn't stop. And then finally I was like, fuck, my eyes burn. I got to go to bed. But yes, so stay tuned.